Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick summarization. So what are the requirements to get swords in the fruit blocks? So basically the player needs to complete at least 20 elite hunter quests, and of course in hard, and a random chance to pull the sword in the secret temple. So you'll need at least 30 quests for a guaranteed chance at all in this sword. So once you find the and also you have to go to the legendary sword dealer to buy the sword that he sells, and you're going to repeat this process 3 times to get all 3 swords, basically Sadi and Wandu and Shishu. So that's just basically it. There's a good chance he will offer you a sword that you already have, so just stay up tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.